I try my hardest in school, but I'm always just passing by the skin of my teeth. I feel like a dump than the other kids. I don't know why I'm not smart like they are. When I go home, I study. I do extra practice, and I stay after school for an extra help. Why, Mr. Garner? I'm not enough smart. I want a good future for me. I know I'm young, but I think that the things that you do at the present will have a consequence in your future. My fathers came from another country, and I want to make them proud of me. But how can I make them proud when I'm stupid? What's wrong with me?